Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious apple pie mead. First, gather your essential ingredients and equipment. You'll need 3 pounds of your favorite honey, 1 gallon of fresh apple cider, and a packet of wine yeast with some nutrient. Don't forget your 1-gallon carboy and an airlock to keep everything sealed. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get everything mixed. Gently warm your 3 pounds of honey to make it more fluid, then pour it into your sanitized 1-gallon carboy. Add the 1 gallon of apple cider, followed by the yeast and nutrient. Shake vigorously for a few minutes to introduce oxygen, then fit the airlock. Allow this primary fermentation to proceed for about 2 to 3 weeks in a cool, dark place. After primary fermentation, it's time for secondary. Carefully rack your mead into a clean 1-gallon carboy, leaving any sediment behind. Now, for the apple pie magic. Add 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 whole nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Reattach the airlock and let it age for another 4 to 6 weeks. This step develops those wonderful apple pie flavors. Finally, it's bottling day. Ensure all your bottles and caps are perfectly sanitized. Carefully siphon the finished apple pie mead into your prepared bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace in each. Seal them tightly. While tempting, resist drinking it immediately. Aging for at least 3 to 6 months will allow the flavors to fully meld and mature, creating an exceptional beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.